Hey everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 152 Laravel 11 integrate authorized.net payment gateway tutorial, and this part 1 my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this my project is available inside this jump folder, inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. Let's run localhost php my admin. This is already run in this real estate underscore Laravel, and this is already available. This database name in this is working fine. Let's this my directory inside this cmd open means command prompt open my directory inside this project. Let's run php artisan server and enter php artisan server. Enter this directory inside cmd. Open this my project directory inside. This is a Laravel latest version. Please wait. This is a run. Please wait. Successfully run. This is server is run. Same here. URL is a copy and hit this browser. Please wait. This is a run. First time is a run. This new day. This is a working fine. Good working. This is a working fine. This is a latest version, and PHP version is a latest. Let's implementation. This is a implementation. Let's start this implementation. First of all, route inside this web.php file open. Inside this controller is a create use app http controller, and this is a new controller is a create. Controller name is a this authorized.net. This is a controller is a create. This is a controller name. Same name is a copy. Scroll down, and this is a inside this is a route get, and this is a inside this paste here. Successfully paste class, and this is a index. Save file, and this is a name authorized payment. This is a URL is a create authorized payment. Save file, and this is successfully this is available this directory inside this direct controller directory inside app http controller directory inside this is a create new php. Successfully this is a create this controller. Let's inside this is a index function is a create. This is a index function same name copy, and inside this paste and index function is a create step by step. Please write down. This is a all write down, and this is a write down this remove index, and this controller name is a create. This is a controller same name is a controller. This is a name is a controller is a implement authentication.net. This same name. Let's public function paste here. This is an index paste here, and same here copy and view. Save file echo my official website name errorsolutioncode.com and die. Save file. Let's check the save file. Let's URL. This is the index function is a write down this index function. Let's same here copy and open this and slash successfully errorsolutioncode.com is available. This is a fine. This is a fine in show. This is a working, and this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are here to help and 24/7. I am always available anytime contact. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, and social media link is lost up available, and this is about inside. Let's start this remove and return view, and this is a new file is a create. File name is this authorized dot underscore net. This is a file is a create, and this is a die. The same name is a file is a create view. Inside this view open resource view inside this is a new file is a create new file and blade PSP successfully create and hello save file and refresh this page, and this is a hello is a show. This is a fine, all good. This hello is a show. Any doubt so please contact anytime my WhatsApp, Telegram and WhatsApp anytime. This is a HTML tag start. This is a start HTML. Title is a Laravel 11 official website. This is a implementation, and this is a bootstrap means CSS link is a implementation. This is a file is a compulsory is a include, otherwise design is a not a good. This is a file is a compulsory is a implementation. Let's div is a start div class container div class row div class colMD. This is a colMD. This is a colMD class set save file, and this is a div class card md5, and this is a s3 class card s header p3 Laravel 11 authentication.net payment, and this is my YouTube channel. This is a official website is the PSTL. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully show good working. This is HTML is a working fine. Please step by step write down. Let's form is a implementation. First of all, this is a form is a step by step implementation. Div class card body, and this form is a start form. Method post action is a blank, in this not use action, and this is a step by step form. Already create form, not my sorry, this form is already create. Div class row div class call md12 and this label class call form label txt text md write. Please write down. This is a card number is a set. This is a card number is a set. Let's insert this, refresh this page. This is refresh this page successfully this card number, and this is step by step implementation. This is a card number is a input. This is a text name is a blank, not use class. Form controller number name is a id is a set card number, otherwise id is not used inside. This is a placeholder in this is a 111 is a set. This is a card number. This is a compulsory is a required. this is a good. This is a fine is a good. This is a card number. Let's refresh this page. Successfully, this is a card number is a implement. Any card number is a implementation. This is a validation is a not available. Step by step validation is a implementation. This is a card number. Auto increment and maximization is a 1 2. This is a maximization and this is a 1 2 is a implementation. This is a good complete op and this maximum length is a 1 6. This card is a 1 6 is available and this is a implementation. This is a stop not a next and this is a all implementation. This is a HTML form. Next is a CV number and date and number, and this is a div. Row is a create, this is a remove. Inside this is a create div class row div, close this class, call md 6, label class call form, label txt text md right, and this is a this is the date is a set, this is the date, save file, and this is the next is a input box input text. This is a class name is a blank, name is a not used inside this, and this is a required is a compulsory is a required, and this is a auto completed op, auto completed maximum length is the same name, copy and paste here op, maximum length is a 5, only 5, and a placeholder 10 into 27, this is a otherwise 27, this is a month and this is a year. This set save file. Let's refresh this page. This is a good, this is form controller class implement. Less class is not available, class form controller. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully available. Next implement CV number. This is a CV number is a implementation. This is a 6 and this again 6 inside this create div class call md 6, label is a set, class call form, label txt md right, save file and cvv set, and inside this input txt text name class form controller required autocomplete of maximum length is a 4, placeholder, and this is a 1 2 3 and 4 is a CVV number, and this is a set. Let's save file and refresh this page. This is a good, this is a payment get. Let's last is a submit button is a implementation. This last is a submit button after payment submit. This is a div form is available. This is a div row and this div row, and this is a last is a submit button. Div class row mt3 div class call md txt text center, button type submit, class btn success, and this button name is a payment. Save file, payment is a save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is a button is available. This next video is a part in submit, and this is a payment gateway is a implementation. First of all, this is a control, this is a URL is a create, URL inside this controller is a create, and this is all implementation, and this is a file is a write down step by step, write down, otherwise your mind is a lost of doubt. All good. Please refresh this page. Same here. This next video is submit, and this payment box and failed and success messages show, and this is a lost of work is a pending. This is a video is a not write down. Next video is a all implementation. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.